Where is it taking me? She loves it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like I never see anybody take an RTR or an RTR XL downtown and just wheelie and do whatever. At least not on YouTube. So that's what I'm doing today. It is 9:29 a.m. on a Saturday, so definitely an interesting time to be riding. But we outside. I always am riding in mode 1. I think I'm gonna ride mode 2 today. Try and get better at it. Another e-biker. Nice ride. Ride safe, man. That wasn't very nice. Enjoy your Dunkin'. Have a great day. Did he see that? Hey man, you can't give in to the negative energy. Have a good one. Yeah, I pulled up and she flipped me off. I'm like, okay. Yeah, I get it. Like, I'm not gonna freak out on. I don't road rage. It's not worth it. No. Unfortunately, you can't. Hey, it's a beautiful Saturday. We're gonna be happy. Have a good one. Off to a hot start. Oh, a little 300. Woo! Mode 2 is definitely more powerful. Yeah, I'm always riding in mode 1, and mode 1 is fun, but like sometimes when you're at speed, it's hard to keep the wheelie up. You have a lot more power in mode 2, so I'm gonna try to use mode 2. I just need to get more comfortable with it because it's a lot more power than I've been using. Oh, and we're actually dropping back. Kind of. Woo! Also gotta start trying no hands here eventually. I don't know how I'm gonna get no hands. Alright, let's go bip the city. Oh, there's an officer right there. Officer of the law. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Oh, we could kind of swerve a little with the foot brake. Woo-wee. One hand's back, baby. Brother, 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 brother. One thing I miss about Philly is we would just run every red light, but I try to be respectful here. Philly, you were one of many, so it was less important, but here, different. So comfy on the XL. Oh, I'm having way too much fun. I missed it. Let's go, foot brake boy. This bike, dude. I love this bike. Choo, choo. Still using handbrake for the real proper dropbacks, but we'll get it on the foot brake. I'm not tripping. Going right by the police station right there. Someday love will find you. Oh, I'm just jamming out right now. Oh, look at this beautiful street, dude. Beautiful. She loves it. Woo! That dog wanted some action. A little soccer going on in the park. Let's try and get a hand drag. I don't think I've ever been in this park before. This is pretty small. This isn't actually what I thought it was. Should we go play the piano? Ready? Play you a song. Here we go. Okay, that's enough. We're done. I feel like a menace today. It's not even 10 a.m. yet. There is something to say about the feeling once you finally start to get really comfy on a bike. That's where I'm at on the RTR XL now. It took a little while. I haven't ridden, this is like the least consistently I've ridden in the last 3 years. But now I've been riding this XL, trying to ride it more, and it's been fun. This prison literally looks like a castle. Look at this place, straight up castle. Hopefully I don't end up there riding this old girl. Woo! That's so fun, dude. Okay, first GoPro battery down. Dude, the bike's still at 70. Oh, that's actually probably more. It's at 77%, and I'm bipping. I still need to do a range test on this. If you guys want to see that video, let me know down below. I know you probably do. Most people do. I'm like the only one that does an actual range test on these damn bikes. I swear to God. But you know what? It is what it is. I should have done today as a range test, but the GoPro batteries, I need like 5 GoPro batteries to do a full range test. We're gonna go north to this high school because I think there could be some fun jumps and whatnot there. Alright, so I think this is like a high school here. There should be some interesting little urban jump things, maybe. One can hope for. Parking, stadium, gymnasium. Yeah, dead end here, bud. I feel like this would be a good lot to try at no hands, though. I'm way too scared, bro. Ah, I can't do it. Dude, riding in the morning is sick because like nobody's really out on like a Saturday morning. not a cop, right? It's a Mitsubishi. What's up?
I was saying go to the bar.
Huh? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I thought you were the cops waving me over for a sec. Alright. What's back here? I am interested. What is back here? Oh my mud. Holy hell. Ooh, tree down, tree down. So much for a city ride. We're out in the freaking sticks, dude. Oh my mud. Where is this taking me? And that's the end, I guess. Well, that was fun. What do we got here? Little septic tank. Alright, back we go. Alright, well that was an interesting detour. Gotta drop back, man. Woo! Whoa there, skipper! Well, that was enough buffoonery for the day. I'm gonna go home before I get killed, arrested, or any dirtier, honestly. So I will see you guys very, very soon. Thanks for 100K. I think we have 100K now. Maybe we do. Maybe we don't. Who the hell knows? Who cares? But yeah, you gotta ride your ETM RTRs, people. Hope you guys enjoyed some urban riding. I will catch you very, very soon. Peace.